Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this April the 8th, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Tuesday out there so far, but it's a great Tuesday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the exiting storm system here that brought a lot of beneficial rains to the East Coast, some winter precipitation to the north. You can see that has pushed on out into the tropical Atlantic, stretching from down here around Cuba to the northern Bahamas, all the way over towards St. John's Island. Got a little clipper system up here around a portion of Maine and also southeast Canada, and also stretching in a portion of New York State, bringing some snow showers to you guys as well. There's some more some more activity out west through the Dakotas down to Oklahoma, North Texas, back through Utah, back to Washington, Oregon State, Idaho region as well, Northern California. And you can see some more activity out in the Eastern Pacific, more scattered activity across South America, Central America, and a lot of activity down across the eastern, extreme eastern portions of the tropical Eastern Pacific Ocean. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road here, folks. Alright, you can see we got some mixed precipitation from New York State to Pennsylvania to Ohio to Michigan to Wisconsin to Minnesota, also through Indiana and Illinois and portion of Ohio, a little bit in South Canada. Got some thunderstorms and showers from Maryland to DC to West Virginia to Kentucky and Tennessee, Illinois to Iowa and portion of Missouri. Thunderstorms in the Atlantic coastal waters, east coast of Florida to the Florida Keys, northern portions of Cuba. And then we got some shower activity from Iowa to Minnesota through North Dakota, South Canada, portion of Montana, and a little bit over here along Washington State and southwestern Canada with mixed precipitation there as well. Stretching into northern Washington State, got some mixed precipitation for Idaho, Montana, and portions of South and southwestern Canada regions as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Wednesday. Alright, here's your Thursday forecast. You can see we got some mixed precipitation from Maine to Massachusetts to New York State to Pennsylvania. Also around Michigan towards Toronto, Canada, Ottawa, Canada region as well. Thunderstorms and showers from southern Michigan to Connecticut to the coastal waters off the New Hampshire, Maine coast. Also stretching down to Delaware, DC, down to the Carolinas, Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, Arkansas, Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana region as well. Excuse me. Also in the Atlantic coastal waters, also stretching down toward the Florida Keys and portions of southwest Florida region as well. Got some shower activity over portions of Montana, Idaho, Washington, Oregon State, coastal area there as well. Got some heavy snow over portions of southwest Canada, even some mixed precipitation in that region as well, stretching into Washington and northern Oregon and northern Washington, northern Idaho, and portions of western and northwestern Montana regions as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Thursday. Alright, let's move on to the current watch and warning advisory map you're locating across the nation. Alright, you can see we got some winter weather advisories up here in portions of Maine, stretching into the northern portions of New Hampshire. We have some wind advisories, special weather statements there as well, stretching down into portions of Massachusetts, also portions of New York State. We got a lot of freeze warnings in effect for portions of Pennsylvania, West Virginia, DC, Delaware, North Carolina, West Virginia, Ohio, also in the portion of Indiana, eastern Illinois, portions much of Kentucky, portions of northwest Georgia, northern Alabama. Even got some frost advisories for western Tennessee, northern and northeastern areas of Mississippi, also portions of central Georgia and central Alabama region as well. Got a lot of river flood warnings stretching from up here from Ohio to portions of Indiana, Illinois to Kentucky to areas of Tennessee, also in the portions of Arkansas, Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, East Texas. Also we got some hydro issues over in portions of northern Nevada and also western areas excuse me, of areas of Wyoming. Special weather statements for portions of Minnesota through the Dakotas, also into portions of Nebraska, northwest Kansas, and also eastern areas and northeastern areas of Colorado. We also have some red flag warning for Colorado and portions of Nebraska. High wind watches in effect for southeastern areas of Wyoming, and also some wind advisory for eastern areas of Idaho, and also got some winter storm warnings and a winter weather advisory for portions of Washington State. Alright, we got small craft advisory, gale warning from Maine all the way down to the Outer Banks of North Carolina. Then again from around the Grand Strand region of South Carolina to the east coast of Florida, around the Florida Keys. Then again from southern California up to Washington State. Hawaii and Chain Island looks good. And we got a little bit of small craft advisory and freezing spray warning along the Alaska coastal regions as well. Alright, Storm Prediction Center outlook. There we go. Let's take a look. This is day 3. We got a marginal risk from Louisville to Evansville to Bowling Greens, Nashville, Chattanooga, Birmingham, Atlanta, toward Greenville, Mississippi, Little Rock, Arkansas, Memphis, and Jackson, Tennessee. Also just north of Jackson, Mississippi as well. General thunderstorm from Raleigh to Columbia to Charleston to Columbus, Georgia, all the way up to Hannibal and Pierre regions as well. Probability looks like this: 5% in the marginal risk area. Excuse me. Alright, now let's move on to the snowfall totals over the next 16 days. Alright, you can see we got some snow stretching from portion of western North Carolina, also back in the portion of Virginia, in the West Virginia, eastern Kentucky, all the way into portion of Pennsylvania, Maine. Got some heavy snow over northern Maine, southeastern areas of Canada, stretching back in, maybe get a few inches of snow in portions of Michigan, portions of Wisconsin. More heavy snow across South Canada, central and southwestern Canada, even some pockets of heavy snow out in portions of Montana, Idaho, Washington, Oregon State, and also some lighter amounts of pockets of snow in portions of California, Nevada, Utah, also Colorado, and maybe northern New Mexico as well. And pretty much elsewhere, pretty much just expect the spring weather to continue with a little cool down here and there between now and the next 16 days. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like these videos, share these videos, and make sure you subscribe. I'm only five away now from 600. So I hope 5 more people subscribe so I can make it to 600 subscribers. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you back in the next one. So have a wonderful Tuesday evening, folks. Take care, and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.